To enable and use auto capitalize on your Galaxy Watch with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, scroll down the screen, tap general, under input section, tap Samsung keyboard, under smart typing section, tap the gray on offset next to auto capitalize until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works on your Galaxy Watch, open an app where you can type like messages, now type a sentence and then put a full stop, followed by typing the second sentence. As you can see, the first letter of the next sentence will be capitalized automatically after you put a full stop. With auto capitalize, you can type quicker and more polished, saving you from manually fixing capital letter each time you type a new sentence. With this simple setting, your messages and note will look cleaner and more professional. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.